Okay, so to create your own Class Dojo monsters, I've created just a fake account and a pretend class with a couple students. The first thing you're going to want to do is give each of your students a piece of paper where they will draw their own monster. They can color it, and you can either scan it into your computer, or I prefer just to take a picture of it on my phone and put them all onto my computer. So once you have the pictures that they drew on your computer, I just save them to the desktop and then I delete them once I'm done doing this. You're going to go up to Options, Edit Class. You're going to click on a student and click on the image of the monster. And here you have a drop-down menu of monsters that you can choose. Class Dojo has actually added a lot of options. It used to be just the monsters, but now there are Valentine's themed one, reading themed one, and you can go on create new set. Go ahead and change the set name. Realistically, we change them about once a quarter, so I'm going to type in Q1 Monsters 2019 and create monster set. This is where you're going to upload the monsters that your students have created. You click on the blue button, go to choose files, and you can go to your desktop and click on your monsters. So I've got that guy as my example. You'll have a lot more, obviously. Click upload, and here you have your monsters, and you can save your set. You can always go back and add to it too. So now when you are selecting a monster for your students, you can go to your created class set, click on the monster that they have created, and it'll show up as their personal monster. That's it.